In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently add a bill in QuickBooks. We'll start by navigating to QuickBooks, a powerful tool for accounting and managing your financial tasks. Whether you're a seasoned QuickBooks user or someone just starting out, this process is both straightforward and crucial for managing your expenses effectively. First, let's head over to QuickBooks. If you haven't already, open up your favorite web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. If you're not logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll be directed to the home page, a hub that gives you a clear snapshot of your business's financial health. Next, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Expenses tab. This section hosts all your financial outflows and is essential for keeping track of where your money is going. Clicking here will present you with an overview, but we're going deeper, so let's keep moving. Now, after entering the Expenses section, look toward the upper right of the page, where you'll find a button labelled New Transaction. Go ahead and click on it. This option allows you to enter different kinds of expenses, but our focus today is on creating a bill. After clicking New Transaction, a drop-down menu will display several options. From this list, select Bill. This is an important step because a bill in QuickBooks signifies that you've received an invoice from a vendor that you need to pay at a later date. Once you click on Bill, a form will appear, prompting you to enter details. At this point, you'll notice an arrow pointing down on the top of your bill form. Click on this arrow, which may seem like a minor step, but it helps ensure that any hidden details or prompts expand for a comprehensive view of your transaction options. Now hover over to the options provided and select Sample. This is a great feature if you're looking to quickly pull in predefined details from a previously saved template. It saves time and ensures consistency across your entries. Moving forward, you'll want to click on the Add button. Adding items or services to your bill is crucial for meeting your financial obligations correctly. This action signifies that you've reviewed and confirmed the details you've entered. Finally, once all the necessary information is filled out and verified, click on Save and New. This not only saves the bill you just entered, making sure it's correctly recorded, but it also takes you back to a new blank form, readying you for the next bill you might need to add. And there you have it, a complete and detailed guide to entering a bill in QuickBooks. With these steps, you'll maintain a clear and organized record of your expenses, helping you manage your business finances more effectively.